I have a harlequin bug invasion on my greens. How to get rid of these bugs? They're just everywhere, eating up everything. I already had cut off all of my damaged collard greens. They just came over here and just took over this bed. They're just everywhere. Look at them. Where are they coming from? I think I may just have to just cut these greens all the way off, or just let them stay here and let them stay in this area and eat up everything and don't go to any of my other garden beds. But they just everywhere. Seen some video where they was just popping them off into soapy water, but you got to go around and hit them all off to get them in the soapy water. I sprayed some soapy water with baking soda in the water to try to kill them all, but it didn't kill them all. I don't know what to do. How long does this season with these bugs last? Are we gonna deal? I'm gonna have to deal with this the whole summer. They just everywhere. Help! Yes, the bugs are over here too. Look how they have just eaten up all the leaves over here. Oh, I need to just pull this whole area up and I guess grow something else over here, because these collard greens, they look like they have had their day with these bugs eating them up. Some of my flowers gone here. Yeah, I see some more of them over here too. They just everywhere. Got my okra coming up. Come on, okra. Come on, okra. Looking good. Oh, how to get rid of these bugs. Okay. Another invasion of these harlequin bugs on my greens here. Just eating up everything. Time to take them out of here. I had put some of my beer in the containers like I had used before, and I see it has killed some of them. But I need to put a lot of beer over here to kill all of these that have come up here and is eating up everything. Oh, look at them. They're just tearing up these greens. Okay. And just take all of this out and get ready to grow something else in this bed. And pray that these bugs don't eat them up. This is the last of my cabbage. I think I'm just gonna pull it up and just throw it out, because it has gotten eaten up real bad by the bugs all down deep inside of it. Bugs are just eating up everything around here. Yeah, just had to pull you on up out of the garden bed. Better luck next season when it's cooler and less bugs where I grow my cabbage. Some more of these bugs over here just eating up over here too. Look at them. They just having them a field day. Look at them everywhere. My kale is dying out. This heat is really burning up everything too. Look at them bugs. They're everywhere.